When you created me in the secret place, carefully, skillfully, you shaped me from nothing to something. Noon wala pa tayo, hindi pa tayo buhay. Merong seed ni nanay at sperm ni tatay. Ay, egg ni nanay at seed ni tatay. Pero nung nag-combine at binigyan ng Panginoon ng buhay, we were made from nothing into something. So, my sisters, you are worthy of being treated with dignity and respect simply because you are made of flesh and blood. You are a human being that God made in His image and likeness, and you are worthy to be treated as such. Meron pa ba tayong mga insecurities?